Portabello Burger with Balsamic Reduction. Ingredients: 4 large portobello mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 8 pieces of sourdough bread, 4 slices of provolone cheese, 1 large roasted red pepper, julienned, 1 cup of buckwheat sprouts, 1 cup of good quality balsamic vinegar. Directions: pour balsamic vinegar into a small saucepan. Turn heat to medium-high and bring vinegar to a boil. Once boiling, reduce to simmer and let simmer for about 5-7 minutes until vinegar has reduced down. Stir occasionally. Be sure to keep an eye on it because it can burn quickly. You will know it is done if it coats the back of spoon. Remove from heat. Let reduction cool and serve or transfer to an airtight container and store in refrigerator. If reduction hardens after being in refrigerator for too long, just place container in a bowl filled with warm water to heat up the reduction. Preheat grill to medium-high heat. Evenly spread olive oil between each portobello mushroom cap. Grill each side for 5-7 minutes and at the last second place provolone cheese on top to melt. Place bread on grill and grill each side for 2-3 minutes. Assemble the burger with bread, portobello mushroom, roasted red pepper, buckwheat sprouts, and a drizzle of balsamic reduction. Serve.